thinks there's some secret grant database you have to pay thousands of dollars to access. But that's not true. In fact, some of the best grant opportunities are completely free. And most people either are using the wrong tools or they're using the right tools, but in the wrong way. So today I'm breaking down exactly where to find grants, free and paid, and what actually works. And if you've been thinking, I need to buy expensive software before I can even start, this video is going to save you a lot of money. Rustic, and I help aspiring and seasoned grant writers replace their full-time income on part-time hours writing grants from home or anywhere in the world. And today we're talking about where to actually find grants without wasting time or money. Let's bust the biggest myth. You need paid databases to find good grants. No, you need a strategy. But I've seen people pay for every tool out there and still not land a single grant. And I've seen beginners use free tools and land $25K, $50K plus grants. Are there some grant prospecting software we love and make your grant prospecting easier? Absolutely. And there's also some surprising prospecting. Here's a free grant prospecting tool everybody should know about. Grants.gov. That's literally the URL, Grants.gov. If you're looking for federal grants, that's where they live. It's free, it's direct from the federal government agencies, and it includes every federal opportunity. But here's what most people don't understand. Federal grants are more complex, take longer, and require more documentation to submit compared to like foundation grants and a lot of state grants. So yes, Grants.gov is powerful, but it's not always the fastest path to your first win. So here are some paid grant prospecting tools and when they actually help. So let's talk about these. There are some great ones out there. Like they have been around for years and have hosted grant webinars, experts, and they're actually built by grant writers for grant writers. These are places like Instrumentl, Gopher, Foundation Directory Online. These can save you time and they can actually help you filter opportunities and make research easier because there are literally hundreds of thousands of grant opportunities out there. But here's the truth. They don't fix a lack of strategy. If you don't know what you're looking for, you're just gonna scroll faster. You're gonna get hundreds of opportunities and you're gonna feel even more overwhelmed. So let's talk about AI tools now. There's some that have been around for years like Grantable. That started as AI for grant writing and grant easy management software, GEMS, which started as a grant management tool. And they're both started by grant writers for grant writers. They have recently added grant prospecting tools to their software. And that's been absolutely amazing. So you can get AI built in and grant prospecting. You can get grant management built in and grant prospecting. However, I'm seeing a new wave of tools that aren't clear if they were just started by someone in AI with no grant writing experience in the industry. Everybody wants to be an all-in-one solution now. And while that's exciting, it also means there's more noise than ever. So what actually matters is 1, alignment. Before you even search for grants and get into all this grant prospecting, you need to know what types of grants you're going after, what the problem your organization is solving, what you actually do to solve that problem, and what size of funding you're targeting. You also need to know what funders align with your project. Otherwise, you are just scrolling and hoping and probably applying for a lot of grants, wasting a lot of time, and applying to the wrong ones. It's not about having more tools, it's about having a better filter. If you want to learn how to actually find the right grants, position yourself, and turn this into consistent income and consistent grant wins, that's exactly what we teach inside the Freelance Grant Writer Academy. And if you're ready to scale, the mentorship helps you build systems and grow without burnout. Links are below.